7 minor yogi exercises, bearing no special names, but each distinct and separate from the others and having a different purpose in view. Each student will find several of these exercises best adapted to the special requirements of his particular case. Exercise 1. 1. Stand erect with hands at sides. 2. Inhale complete breath. 3. Raise the arms slowly, keeping them rigid until the hands touch overhead. 4. Retain the breath a few minutes with hands overhead. 5. Lower hands slowly to sides, exhaling slowly at same time. 6. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 2. 1. Stand erect with arms straight in front of you. 2. Inhale complete breath and retain. 3. Swing arms back as far as they will go. Then back to first position. Then repeat several times, returning the breath all the while. 4. Exhale vigorously through mouth. 5. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 3. 1. Stand erect with arms straight in front of you. 2. Inhale complete breath. 3. Swing arms around in a circle, backward a few times. Then reverse a few times, retaining the breath all the while. You may vary this by rotating them alternately like the sails of a windmill. 4. Exhale the breath vigorously through the mouth. 5. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 4. 1. Lie on the floor with your face downward and palms and hands flat upon the floor by your sides. 2. Inhale complete breath and retain. 3. Stiffen the body and raise yourself up by the strength of your arms until you rest on your hands and toes. 4. Then lower yourself to original position. Repeat several times. 5. Exhale vigorously through your mouth. 6. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 5. 1. Stand erect with your palms against the wall. 2. Inhale complete breath and retain. 3. Lower the chest to the wall, resting your weight on your hands. 4. Then raise yourself back with the arm muscles alone, keeping the body stiff. 5. Exhale vigorously through the mouth. 6. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 6. 1. Stand erect with arms akimbo, that is, with hands resting around the waist and elbows standing out. 2. Inhale complete breath and retain. 3. Keep legs and hips stiff and bend well forward, as if bowing, at the same time exhaling slowly. 4. Return to first position and take another complete breath. 5. Then bend backward, exhaling slowly. 6. Return to first position and take a complete breath. 7. Then bend sideways, exhaling slowly. Vary by bending to right and then to left. 8. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 7. 1. Stand erect or sit erect with straight spinal column. 2. Inhale complete breath, but instead of inhaling in a continuous steady stream, take a series of short, quick sniffs, as if you were smelling aromatic salts or ammonia and did not wish to get too strong a whiff. Do not exhale any of these little breaths, but add one to the other until the entire lung space is filled. 3. Retain for a few seconds. 4. Exhale through the nostrils in a long, restful, sighing breath. 5. Practice cleansing breath.